This is bellwork for Wednesday, January 17th. On number 1, it says write the equation passing through the given point. And we have the point x is 5 and y is -4. The slope is 1/3. So we'll start by writing down our slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We know what the m is, and we have a point we can use for y and x. So we just have to solve for b. So we're going to do -4 for y equals 1/3, and x is 5. And then we are solving for b. So we get -4 equals 5/3 plus b. So we need to subtract 5/3 from -4. We're going to do -5/3 minus 5/3. So we'll get -4 minus 5/3. So to subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. So I'm going to do 4 times 3 is 12, so we get -12/3 minus 5/3. And then -12 minus 5 is -17, so we'll get -17/3. So b is equal to -17/3. And then if we put that into our slope-intercept form, we'll get y equals 1/3 x minus 17/3. Number 2 is asking, is the function linear or exponential? So we need to check the y values and see how they're growing. So this one we're doing +5. This one we're doing +20. This one we're doing +100. And this one we're doing +500. So it's definitely not linear, and it looks like it's exponential. So this one is exponential. Number 3 says solve by graphing. So we're going to go to desmos.com and graph these. Before we do that, though, we need the y by itself. So let's do, for the first one, we have 2x plus y equals -4. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And I'll get y equals -2x minus 4. There's our first equation. And then for the second one, we have x minus y equals -8. I'm going to do this in 2 steps. First, I'm going to add y to both sides. And I'll get x equals -8 plus y. Then I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And we'll get y equals x plus 8. That's our second equation. So now go to desmos.com and plot both of those and see where they cross. Okay, so we check on desmos.com. I found that they both cross when x is -4 and y is +4. So that's the solution to that system. On number 4, it says fill in the blank. Perpendicular lines are 2 lines whose intersections form blank, and it's going to be right angles. So right angles. Number 5 says describe the correlation and find the line of best fit. So this one we have to do a scatter plot of all these points. So I made an XY graph. So we have x is 0 and y is -4, which is right here. We have x is 0 and y is -3. X is 0.5, y is -1.5. Be about here. X is 1.5 and y is 1. X is 2 and y is 3. And then x is 2.5 and y is 4. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and find the line of best fit first, because that'll help you see the correlation. And to do the line of best fit, you just kind of draw a line so it's in between all the dots on our scatter plot. So to do that, I'm just going to kind of estimate. It's going to look something like that. Okay, and then we can look at our line of best fit. So first of all, if we're not able to draw a line of best fit, there's no correlation. For this one, we were able to, and it is a positive correlation because the line of best fit is going up. So it is a positive correlation.